I got one of the most interesting questions as an Airbnb host today that I'm still confused about, but our guest was asking before they booked, they wanted to know if it was a duplex. Now, potential, she didn't want to instant book because she was curious about if it was a duplex, so she was waiting on my answer, which could have been a missed booking. Also, the home says single family home, but she later on mentioned that they have booked homes before and they've been a duplex. I was committed to find a 3D render of our property so that we had a complete map of what the home looked like and they could really understand what they were showing up to. So I found 3D My Rental and they literally crushed it, you guys. This rendering is so similar to what the actual house looks like. She even included like little details on the coffee table, the whole outdoor patio, even our hot tub made it. This is one of the photos in our Airbnb listing and the plates are in this photo and she put them on the rendering. I am so stoked to add this photo into our Airbnb listing because I feel like it's just going to help answer those little questions that keep people from wanting to instant book the property. And like we all know, we are trying to drive more instant bookings so that it requires less of our work and honestly less for the guests. They don't have to ask these little mundane questions that should be answered by the host. This is your sign. If you do not have a 3D rendering of your property, you need to use 3D My Rental to get it.